In today's video, I redesigned my CandyWrap Backpack Adapter. Let's go! In my previous video I showed a CandyWrap Backpack Adapter, but it was too complicated, so I had to simplify things. So I just took a regular clip and made a really long band out of it. And to make a backpack or a sling bag or a duffel bag out of it, you just take one end and fiddle it through the bottom part, fiddle it through the top part, pull, and take another clip and clip it together, like so. When it's finished, it looks like this. And now you can make a duffel bag out of it by pulling on one end, like this. You could also pull on both ends and carry it as a sling bag or a shoulder bag, and you could also carry it as a backpack, like so. It always annoyed me when I have a backpack and you have to pull on these adjusting straps and look up that they have the same length. There's no problem with this one because it's one giant loop, so if you want to cinch your backpack tight, you just pull on one string and this whole system tightens around you. I like simple stuff. So this is just one giant loop, only with one buckle, so there's nothing to get damaged, or you can replace it real quick. And this makes it possible to have a modular bike bag, which can also be a backpack, a sling bag, a duffel bag, you name it. So there is no excuse that you cannot make a tour. Imagine you have a tour and you have to carry 2 CandyWrap bags on your bike and you pulled them off, and now you want to explore the inner city or you have to get to camp. And with this backpack adapter strap you just fiddle it through one CandyWrap like this and through the other CandyWrap. Take the bottom part, fiddle it through here, and now you have a double CandyWrap backpack. I'll show you how it looks. It would look like this, and now you just carry it as a backpack like so. And to adjust the tension, you just have one pull thing, pull it tight. And it stays put. Also a cool thing to carry a CandyWrap bag as a backpack, because you don't get a sweaty back. You just open up these CandyWrap bags and let your bag breathe. And if your bag is already dry, you just push them together and finished. By the way, if you unroll a CandyWrap bag to the maximum, you could fit 7.6 liters in it. So if you have 2 CandyWrap bags on your back, you could carry 15.2 liters of storage. The CandyWrap bag is a very modular system, but I keep trying to make it even more modular and simplify stuff. And I showed this insulated CandyWrap bag in my previous video. And I just took the middle stitching and let one thing open, like so. And this makes it possible to have a drinking CandyWrap backpack out of it. And with this strap system I have there, you could also have a hydration CandyWrap. I used this exact CandyWrap bag in my previous tour, and to make a drinking hydration CandyWrap backpack out of it, you just fit your 3-liter drinking bladder in it. A 2-liter would also fit, because the CandyWrap bag is adjustable. Then you take your drinking hose, fill it through the hole in the middle part. Clip it together like this, and you need to roll up one end about 2 times. Then you take the top part, also roll it up two times and clip it together. And to secure your drinking hose, pull it through the top part. Now you have a drinking CandyWrap system. To attach the strap, you just pull it through the bottom part and the top part, and you clip it together. And to even secure your drinking hose a bit more, I took an old inner tube, a bicycle inner tube, and cut little rubber bands, and you could fiddle it through the backpack adapter like this. Pull your drinking nozzle, drinking hose through the rubber band like so. Clip it together. And now your drinking hose is secured to the strap and it cannot dangle away. I think with this simple backpack adapter I made the CandyWrap bag even more modular. If you also have a good idea, write it in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye!